Chapter 10 Measurement Learning Objectives. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to compare length, observe and measure length using objects and body parts, measure and compare weights and capacities of the objects. Warm up. Mr. Fox welcomes you to the world of the jungle. Observe the picture, think and circle the appropriate answer. Who is smaller? Fox, squirrel. Who is the biggest? Duck, parrot, elephant. Who is the tallest? Peacock, giraffe. Let's revise some of the basic concepts. Take the one that is long, short, small, big, thick, tall, heavy, thin, light. Teacher's note. Give the student pairs of objects. For example, a water bottle and a lunchbox. Let them take those in each hand and divide which is heavier. Length. Measuring length using objects. We can measure an approximate length of an object with the help of another object. The length of this pencil is equal to 8 erasers. Watch and write. Length of the snake is about dash sharpeners. Length of the toothbrush is about dash crayons. Length of the book is about dash erasers. Length of the table is about dash pencils. Length of the bat is about dash pans. Length of the tube light is about dash pencils. Quick tip. A longer body always has more length than a shorter body and it is big in size as compared to the small body. Measuring length using body parts. We can measure the length of an object using body parts. Finger, digit, hand span, palm, cubit, arm length, foot span, pace. Facts to know. In ancient times, the length of a foot, the width of a finger and the distance of a step were all accepted measurements. Look at the pictures carefully. Measurement by finger, digit, measurement by hand span, measurement by the palm, measurement by cubit, measurement by arm length, measurement by foot span, measurement by pace. Observe and measure. Use actual objects to measure the following object using your body parts. 1. My desk is dash cubits long. 2. My pencil is dash digit long. 3. My bat is dash hand span long. 4. My mathematics book is dash palms long. Weight. We can measure weight of an object with the help of weighting scale. Weighing scale has 2 pans. The lighter side of the weighing scale moves up. The heaviest side of a weighing scale moves down. If the weights on both sides is equal, then a pan will remain at the same level. Look at the pictures and read the sentence carefully. A lion is heavier than a monkey. A monkey is lighter than a lion. A crow and a parrot weigh the same. Watch and write. One bat weighs as much as dash apples. 6 mobiles weigh the same as dash toy. 6 lemon weighs the same as dash oranges. 1 pencil box weighs the same as dash mangoes. 20 ants weighs the same as dash frogs. A book weighs the same as dash bananas. Capacity. We can measure capacity of liquids such as water, milk, juice, etc. using cups, glasses, mugs, bottles, jugs, buckets, etc. Look at the pictures and read the sentence carefully. A glass can hold 1 glass of water. A jug can hold 8 glasses of water. It means a glass holds less water than a jug. A jug holds more water than a glass. Put a tick on the heavier side in each set. Think wisely. Amira measures the blackboard. Amira's teacher measured the same blackboard. It is 8 handspans long. It is 5 handspans long. Can you tell why? Mental maths. Use the following body parts to measure the length. A. My desk is dash handspan long. B. My eraser is dash digits long. C. My blackboard is dash palms long. D. My classroom is dash foot spans long. E. The distance between the table and the blackboard is about dash paces. Maths lab activity. Materials required: long ribbon strips and ice cream sticks. Steps: 1. Take a ribbon strip and measure your table with it. 2. Mark the point up to which the ribbon strip comes. 3. Now use the ice cream sticks to measure this length of ribbon and note down the reading. My table is dash ice cream sticks long. 4. Repeat the above step to find the length of your shirt, skirt or trousers, etc. Length of my shirt is dash ice cream sticks. Length of my skirt, trousers is dash ice cream sticks.